Let me introduce these courses to you. Well, the first is on grammar. This course introduces parts of speech. This is very much the syllabus of the students that they do in their classes. So I shall be covering each part of speech. This will help the students in their school syllabus. Infinitives, gerunds, participles, tenses, voice, speech are some of the other little difficult and complex topics that students have to deal with, and they might have difficulty in understanding. So you can learn with at ease with me at Grammar Gurus in either offline or online classes. Next is the course on spoken English. This course I have divided into two categories. One is the basic, another is the advanced. The basic course you see is for the beginners who are still learning to speak English. So, this course will deal with translations from Hindi to English. I shall give you the translations of the verbs, the sentences, what are the rules of making a sentence in grammar, or also how you can make simple day to day conversations, day to day topics we shall be learning to speak on. In the advanced edit, I shall be giving you sophisticated grammar structure. This course I suggest is for those who already know how to speak in English, so the course will add to their fluency and will help them in public speaking as well. In the course on figures of writing, this course basically aims to upskill you with the literary devices that are extremely important for writing your literature in a much fancier way. For example, I shall be teaching you alliterations, I shall be teaching you similes, metaphors, hyperbole, idiomatic expressions, synonyms, antonyms, collocations, onomatopoeia. What are they exactly? How do they make your literature more fancy, more sophisticated? Also, I shall be giving you the rules of making spellings. This is one area where children really suffer in schools and even adults. We make a lot of spelling mistakes. I shall be telling you the rules of making these spellings so that you do not fumble in spellings while writing. The next course is creative writing and composition. Here, I shall be dealing primarily with the school syllabus of the students, such as picture composition, paragraph writing, essay writing, letter writing, notice writing, dialogue writing, story writing, diary entry, postcard writing. All these are some of the topics that students have to face in their school curriculum. So the course will update you, will upskill you on what are the tricks, what are the tips of writing all this, how you can score better marks in your English grammar paper. I shall be giving you all the rules and regulations. We shall be practicing each of these topics in details in this course. Next is the course on personality development. This is a course which deals with primarily on how you would want to uplift your personality, confidence building, etiquettes, body language, time management, grooming yourself, what clothes, what attire you should be wearing in different places, how you can look smart, speak smart. Even interview preparation, corporate skills training will be some of the key aspects of this course. So you can choose any of these courses. You can take enrollment in whichever courses you like. You can opt for more than one courses as well, and you can do the courses either over a period of 2 months or more, depending again on your timings, on your availability of resources. So I look forward to embark on this wonderful English educational journey with you.